Okay, this is the Z. Oh, hi, buddy. Come to help again. This is the Z4MPLUS DT, and the display just showed blank, you know, like a row of squares. It still lit up, and then the power light was orange. Nothing else was lit, and so the problem ended up being to open it. Well, you take off, you undo this screw here, and this cover just lifts up once you do that and comes out. And all I did was replace this little 3-volt battery here on the board. I wiggled the connectors, made sure they were all connected, and the odd thing was, here's the old battery. Let's see if I can show it with one hand here. Put that on. You can see it still shows a charge of 3 volts. Now it shows negative because the wires are reversed, but so I decided to replace the battery anyway and see. And now you can see it's up and running, and easy.